If you own or manage a building in Roseville, your roof could be costing you tens of thousands of dollars. You might not even know. Leaks, water, storm damage are typically self killers of commercial roof properties. Most commercial roofs tend to fail over years before their warranty is up. A lot of times it's because of um, maintenance, not getting maintenance done, bad installation, bad installs, more of, and just again lack of proper maintenance. Most of the time, when you start to see water, the damage has already spread into the insulation ceilings and typically tenant spaces. And when that happens, the repair can cost a lot more than what it would be to just get maintenance done every year. So, at Sales Roofing, we specialize in commercial roof repairs, roof replacements. We also do maintenance on multiple buildings in the Roseville, Minnesota area. We work with TPO, EPDM, PVC, flat roof coatings. We do it all. We can also offer, drone roof inspections just to check the roof out. So if you have a leak going on, need to get some maintenance done, or need to get a repair done over in Roseville, Minnesota, reach out to us. We are a DBE targeted group certified company. We've worked with hotels, HOAs, retail malls. We can pretty much do it all. Give us a call, 651-703-2336. You can also check on the link in the description below to check out our website, or even go there to set up a time for us to come out and do an inspection.